How to check saved files on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Files application on your phone. In the Files app, you can locate and view your files, organize and rearrange them in folders, compress, rename, and share them with friends. Once you're here, you can view all your recent files. Go to the bottom panel and tap on Browse to view the files in different locations. Under the Location section, you can see various storage options. Tap on iCloud Drive to view the files and folders stored there. Alternatively, tap on My iPhone to check for files that are saved directly to your device's internal storage. Tap on any folder to open it. Following these steps, you can easily check saved files on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.